Hey everybody, I hope you are all doing well, brother and sister. Today's video very important for your website because your website is very important and very important your contact from brother and sister. This is a Captcha part. I am a not robot. I am a robot. This is a select and click and hit this submit all information, fill up all information and click and hit the submit button. And brother and sister, I will set up I'm a not robot box Captcha my website. Brother and sister, first of all I have a create a account and the Google reCAPTCHA, and this is a secret key, this is a site key, this is a site key, this is secret key, and I will copy site key and I will copy secret key, and I will Elementor settings. Sorry, this is the French language. I am not understand French language. So I will settings. I will click and hit setting integration, and this is a key setup key, site key, secret key, and this is a save button. Click and hit this button and save your wall changes, brother and sister. Because I use the from this from use in the I am not robot or Captcha. This is a Captcha. Add items, click and hit and select the Captcha and label your text. This is a show your user and text the integration. Brother and sister, see you next time. Have a good day, everybody. This is a very important part for your website. I hope if you understand this video, brother and sister, please let me know my comment box and my if you need any problems for your website, please let me know. I will get back to you as soon as possible, brother and sister. And if you need any big website creative, please let me know. I will get back to you as soon as possible, brother and sister. Please enjoy your